Salve a tutti, buonasera, benvenuti a questo, diciamo, chiamiamolo altro unboxing perché fa sempre parte dei 190 vinili che mi avete visto sballare nelle altre puntate. Niente, oggi sentiremo qualche altro disco che è preso sempre dallo stesso stock, sempre dischi presi a caso, così staremo un po' insieme, un'oretta. Di nuovo tanti auguri a tutti, oggi è 30 dicembre del 2019, si avvicina sempre più veloce questo 2020, speriamo che sia migliore del 2019 per tutti, ok? Allora, direttamente diciamo dal 1992 ascolteremo Sonia Davis, Are You Ready to Go? Eccolo qua, Sonia Davis, eccolo, non so se con i riflessi si riesce a vedere, l'altro lato, eccoci qua, Sonia Davis, questa è la copertina del vinile, ascolteremo Sonia Davis, poi ascolteremo Renegade Fun Train, I Wonder, questo è del 96, non so se si vede bene, ecco, questo è il fronte e questo è il retro del vinile. Ok, ascolteremo Renegade Funk Train, I Wonder. Ok, Wake Up, questo direttamente dal 1996, Time to Wake Up Mix. Eccoci qua, Farai, eccoci, opla. Non so se si vede bene, Wake Up, eccoci qua, ok. Vabbè, queste sono due compilation, ve le faccio vedere, molto molto famose. Questa direttamente dal 1983, Mixage, famosissima, praticamente ce l'abbiamo quasi tutti questa compilation, famosissima Mixage. Scusate se non riesco a capire bene come la devo mettere per farvela vedere bene. Eccola qui, questa ovviamente non la metto, la conosciamo, poi ci sono tutti i brani, dentro vabbè c'è il Gazebo, ma tantissimi, tutti famosi. One, two, three, four, give me some more, bellissima. Come anche molto molto famosa è quest'altra compilation, Masterpiece, direttamente dal 1984. Qui c'è Paul Harris con Love of the Common People che dava inizio a questa compilation mixata per il discotto. Io ce ne avrò, questa sarà la quinta copia che ho di Masterpiece. Opla, scusate, non riesco a metterla bene in modo che si vede bene. Masterpiece, bellissima questa compilation, io la conosco a memoria. Eccolo qua, Fall in Love, I will fall. Va bene, questa è bellissima, masterpiece, ma pure quella non la sentiremo. Sentiremo invece su etichetta Digital Mark i Dance to Trance, direttamente dal 1993, Dance to Trance con Take a Free Fall. Dance to Trance sono molto famosi per quella canzone che faceva tu 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 tu. Bellissima, eh? Dance to Trance, Power of American Natives, Poan. E quella non la sentiremo perché sentiremo questa Take a Free Fall, ok? Andiamo avanti, sentiremo anche Scritti Politti. No, beh, questo diciamo è un LP, però voglio mettere un brano da questo LP. Questo è un LP direttamente dal 1985, ok? Questo è un LP, non è un mix. è un 33 giri, ok? I riflessi sono un macello. Comunque sono sempre ancora provvisorio, sto in salone e quindi anche questo. Poi c'è Howard Jones, direttamente anche questo è un mix. Things can only get better, le cose possono solo andare meglio. Dal 1985 anche questo Howard Jones, sentiremo questo extended mix, ok? Direttamente dal 1985 ci sentiremo Howard Jones. Malcolm McDonald dall'88, 1988, Backbone Boogie. Ok. Malcolm McDonald, non so come lo devo mettere, ecco, forse un po' più lontano così, ok. Malcolm McDonald, come abbiamo detto, direttamente dal 1988, Backbone Boogie. E poi l'ultimo, Shabba Ranks featuring Queen Latifah. What ya gonna do? What ya gonna do? What ya gonna do? Ok? Ci sentiamo questi, poi se avanza tempo magari ne mettiamo qualcun altro. Ok? E allora niente, io vi saluto, ci sentiamo per adesso questi dischi. Adesso attivo il giradischi, attivo il piatto, il 1210 M5G che ho lì e vi do appuntamento alla prossima diretta. Io come al solito vi rinnovo gli auguri di un buona fine, buon principio, buona fine 2019, buon inizio 2020 a tutti. Ascoltiamoci qualche brano e niente, alla prossima diretta di Renny J.
You better get wondering too. I wonder, will I make it through another summer? Like being locked down in a slammer. 'Cause of
You better get wondering too.
I wonder, will I make it through another summer? Like being locked down in a slammer. 'Cause I feel like I'm trapped in a well. The air's getting thin from fuel raising hell. Meanwhile, the IQs of all the young'uns is dropping ever lower from the lead we consuming. Doing time on the planet we are landing. Well, time's up, time to pay to keep it running, man. Used and abused, just seen it on the news. But passion fades and we're still confused. Looking through the window I stare. How much more can this rock still bear? We ain't got a spare, so we going nowhere. Like trying to fit a round peg in the whole big square. So where do we go from here? I wonder.
Does anybody care? I wonder, 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 wonder. Oh, you better get wondering too.
I love life and I hope I live a long one. I wonder why and a daughter and 6 sons. But then again, in this world that we're living in, you never know if the love will be enough for them. The shit is getting hectic. It's hard enough to raise a family, let alone to protect it. Gotta pack a piece when my wife has a child, just so I can have some peace of mind. Blind eating blind, I heard it through the grapevine. I kill a child, kills another child. By the tracks of the train, rock to the brain. Humanity is running insane. Try to travel, but living in Samsara, the road is full of devils, obsessed with sex and youth, running from the truth. The old die alone in an old people's home. 'Cause a man from the west doesn't wanna face death, but death is part of living. I see it as a step, so step to the real road that your soul sees and tries to show so you can be whole. So businessman with the monster plan and all your blood money sitting in the bank. Better think before you wreck my planet. When you die, you'll be coming back living on it. And maybe next time you won't have the money or the means to exercise the silly scenes of delusion.
It's just an illusion. Yeah. I wonder, does anybody care? I wonder, wonder. You really did wonder. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. I wonder, wonder. You really did wonder and do. I wonder, wonder. You really did wonder and do. This is the way back in the days, how I would play when I was a teenager. This is the way back in the days, how I would play when I was a teenager.
Back in the days when I was a teenager, Tim and Annie spinning on the J behind the fader. I'd wage wars and transit cops and drop my tag on every spot. Space and placing carriageways, trains and passageways where we used to play in the days. Face I never was, 'cause I was a wiser cuz, or so I thought I was. Anyways, I got a bust, I'm by my when the lights are break dancing and kicking the party times. Organize a death jam where the west side left my name on every street and every train. Catching my truck and I'm taking it to the days.
Those were the times, those were the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days.
Back in the days.
Smack, smack, as I attack, tack, tack. Oh, sorry, I was just having a flashback. Walking through the cross one night. Later, had my mate and everything was alright. Started at the pool hole, score a stick or two. Yo, bumped into a full toy, built like a big brick wall. You want a static, all I wanted was some chronic. Steaming, emanating, alcoholic gin and tonic. Well, anyway, he rushed my way. I had to give some action quick with no delay. I gave him a 1-2 like Alex Louis before he knew me. Proceed to introduce him to my swift left knee. He was swinging, I kept on getting because I had him by the head and I wasn't releasing the fuck the matter. I kept on pounding, counting 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. I let him go cause he was out and I was ghost.
Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days.
Back in the days, this is the way. Back in the days, how I would play when I was a teenager. This is the way. Back in the days, how I would play when I was a teenager.
Those were the days, my friend, we thought we'd never end, and now we comprehend. So here it is again. See, I remember when we all got rounded up, hanging around and shop, swapping, the shop shots, all together in the vans, put some pushing in. Back to the station for the slamming and the pressure in. Pow! Gave me the phone book and a left hook. Another held my arms behind the others, took a look. I got a blow to the stomach with a nightstick.
He got a blow to the stomach with a nightstick.
Shit, another blow to the stomach with a nightstick.
Then he got another blow to the stomach with a nightstick.
I didn't kick a fit, I ain't saying shit. As far as I'm concerned, see the sarge and those constables can wrap their lips around a big fat. Turn me loose on the streets cause I spilled the juice. They couldn't hold me at the station so I cruised through the hard times and the fun times. Had them all but all in all I wouldn't change a thing, y'all. That's how it was, looking through the haze. And never forget the times we had back in the days.
Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days. Back in the days. Back in the days, back in the days.
Back in the days, this is the way. Back in the days, how I would play when I
a dong, ding a dang dong, ding ding a dong, ding a dang dong, ding a dong, ding a dang dong, ding a dong, ding a dang dong. Ding a dong, ding a dang dong. Ding a dong, ding a dang dong. another kiss. Don't try 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 another kiss. Don't try. Don't try. Don't try. Don't try. Ding ding a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding 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 a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding ding a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding 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 a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding ding a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding 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 a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding ding a dong, ding a ding a dang dong, ding 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 a dong, ding a ding a dang dong. Don't try another kiss. Don't try. Don't try. Don't try another kiss. Don't try. Don't try. Don't try another kiss. Don't try.
Welcome to the bottomless well, the human soul, a different plane where heart and mind become the same. Close your eyes, let your mind go. The unification of desire. Dance, take it higher. Describe the feeling you get. Your inside is much hotter, I bet. Your eyes closed. Your arms become lighter. You breathe to the beat. Breathe to the beat. Your pulse steady. Your legs are no longer a part of you. Your limbs separate and fly away. Take a free fall. Take a free fall. Take a free fall. Take a free fall. You're not bound to time or space. You're not bound to time or space. And all the parts of the old you, the you once knew, travel, fall into trance. teardrop through the wall. Future dreams we have to realize. 1,000 skeptic hands won't keep us from the things we plan, unless we're clinging to the things we prize. And do you feel scared too? But I won't stop and falter. And if we throw it all away, things could only get better. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You can do it left, you can do it right, you can do it any old time of night. You can do it now, people all around.
Everybody get high.
Mr. Timon, what is the problem? Solve the problem. People suffering and nobody can solve the problem. Look at the amount of money that the world has. What's robbing the people out? Why? Question of universal rights. Me, poor me don't know what go up in a Latifa. You know what is happening to these people? And they are demons. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Oh me. Yeah, you. Not me, oh boy. Not me. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Not me. Yeah, you. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Not me. Yeah, you. What they gonna do? Sabaruk's in the ear. Mix the hip hop and the reggae together. You see Shabba and reggae ambassador. Along with Vinili Diva, who's a hip hop mama. Shabba, what they gonna do? What they gonna do? Roll up on the make a to dance and go. I plus me and the hip hop too. Just rock and roll and calypso cool. The king for all, the king for all, the bring them to one. It no matter where the music is coming from. Music is here just to please everyone. Music is international communication. Tell them say, what they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Who me? Yeah, you. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Not me. Yeah.
Mr. Shabba, money making Jamaican, collecting checks and catching wrecks for reggae. He awakened. The word has got around about the titles you be taking, from homie to be faking, and practicing the moves of a snake. On the streets in the days and nights, the black and white fight till they come to hip hop shows and give up hoes. One God, one tribe, feel the vibe that I'm bringing. Throw your hands in the air and keep them swinging. I'm sick and tired of letting gats win and people putting bruises on my beautiful black skin. So I teach them a lesson through a hip hop session. Let them know that I'ma keep on stepping. You don't know me to judge me, and even if you knew me, your thoughts wouldn't budge me. Knowledge in the music is my way to get through, and it also works for you. So what you gonna do?
School-face people are monkey sample. Smile pretty people, make me see a dimple. School-face people are monkey sample. The penetrate people who are penny evil. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Oh me. Yeah, you. What they gonna do? Shabba rocks in the ear. Mix the hip hop and the reggae together. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your hand to the one you love best. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your hand to the one you love best. Some cannot smile, wicked profile. Watch your house problem on the file. Some worry and love to oppress in a nuclear power. They are invest for the suffering child. They don't care a lesson. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Who me? Yeah, you. Yeah, you. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Who me? Yeah, you. Yeah, you. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Who me? Yeah, you. Tell them, say, what can they do? Shabba rocks in the ear. Mix the hip hop and the reggae together. If it's Shabba the reggae ambassador, along with Vinili Diva, who's a hip hop mama. Music forever, separation never. Be smart, be clever to approach the mega. If it's Shabba, I'm the Ram dance master. Me about to be a product. At Jamaica, green, black and gold is I'm and color. Red, black and green, oh, that is another. Some be smart and some be clever. Mr. Timon, what is the problem? Solve the problem. People suffering and nobody can solve the problem. Look at the amount of money that the world has. What's robbing the people of? Why? Question of universal rights. Me, poor me don't know what go up in a Latifa. You know what is happening?